In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive for free. Some people may be intimidated by the process, but it's so simple, I can guarantee you that you'll be done in no time. To begin, you must have at least an 8GB empty USB flash drive lying around. They're pretty inexpensive, and you can generally pick them up for $5 to $10. Click the two links in the description below and it should open two new browser tabs. Now let's start with Rufus, which is a pretty useful and proven tool for creating a bootable USB drive. All you need is an ISO image of the operating system you want. For this video, we want Windows 10 and we're going to get the ISO file on the official Windows 10 page in a bit. I'll teach you how to use Rufus later, but for now, just download Rufus by scrolling down and clicking on this version number. I'm going to click on save and the download should begin. On with our Windows 10 ISO, you wouldn't really see an option here if you want to download just the ISO file besides the Windows 10 media creation tool, which we are not going to use in this video. To get that option, right click and hit on inspect element if you are using Google Chrome. I'm using Vivaldi, so that option would be here on developer tools and inspect. You'll see this window pop up, which is what we need. You could also hit F12 on your keyboard, that also works. Now click on this icon, then select Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra from the drop-down menu. Reload the page and close the inspect window by clicking X. As you can see, we now have the option to download the most recent Windows 10 ISO file. Simply select the edition, of which there's only one, and click on confirm. Now select the product language. I'll choose English International for this one. And again, click on confirm. Once it's done doing its thing, we should just be able to download the ISO we want. I'll be using the 64-bit ISO, so I'm just going to click on that. Click on save, and the download should begin. Once our downloads are done, on our downloads folder, we should see two files. We have Rufus and our Windows 10 ISO file. Open Rufus by double-clicking it, and you should see this window. Now is a good time to plug in your USB flash drive into your computer. I'm just going to do that real quick. And there we go. Rufus has detected my USB flash drive automatically. Now click on select here and open the Windows 10 ISO file we just downloaded. And keep the image option to standard Windows installation. For the partition scheme, we have MBR for older legacy PCs and GPT for newer ones. Mine is MBR. If you want to be sure, go to your start menu and search for system information. You should see BIOS mode here. Mine is legacy, so I'll select MBR. And if you see UEFI in your BIOS mode, select GPT. Now I'm just going to change the volume label to Windows 10. You can name it whatever you want. And once you're done, just click on start. It should warn you that all data will be erased on your USB flash drive. Just click on OK. And it should start making a bootable USB flash drive. Now I'm just going to speed this up and I'll be right back. There we go, it's pretty much done at this point, and now you'll be able to install Windows 10 to any PC by plugging in your flash drive on startup. One more thing, change the boot order in your BIOS so your USB flash drive is first on the boot sequence. If you don't know how to do this, check your motherboard manual on how you can enter your BIOS. By restarting your PC after changing the boot order, it should pretty much boot to your Windows 10 flash drive and you'll be able to proceed with the Windows 10 installation. And I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this helps you out. Or if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them. This is Dreus. Goodbye.